What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today I've got another electric bike to show you. This one is my Hovsco Hovalpha step-through electric bike. Now this bike right here is a 26-inch by 4 fat tire step-through electric bike. It retails for $18.99. It's currently on sale, however, for $1,499. It's got a 1,300 watt hub motor, which is 750 watts RMS. It's got an 80-mile maximum range, 90 newton meters of torque, a 28-mile-an-hour top speed. You have to unlock it to achieve that, which I've already done. A payload capacity of 450 pounds. This is also app capable for iOS and Android. It utilizes a torque sensor. It weighs 73.6 pounds, and this is a beautiful, beautiful color. A very high metallic, unfortunately it's not a very sunny day today, but it's a high metallic maroon color and very, very bright chrome looking stickers. I think it's a gorgeous bike. 7-speed Shimano Tourney derailleur. You've got fenders, front and rear, a tail light. It comes with a headlight. You have front suspension with lockout capability and dampening adjustments, hydraulic 180 millimeter brakes, a nice big bright color display. We'll turn it on here. Power button is right here. Give it a couple seconds to turn on. Then you have your up and minus buttons for pedal assist, and then this will guide you. Oh, I was holding the wrong button. It helps if you push the right button. This is your power, and it will scroll through odometer, trip, and then this is your headlight button, which I think you have to hold it for a couple seconds. Then it shows you that the headlight has come on. It's a nice little headlight, nice little halo effect going on right there. Here is your trigger for taking off, and then you have these wonderful ergonomic hand grips that I just absolutely love. You've got the thumb and index finger shifter for the Shimano. Very nice. Hydraulic brakes feel great, and it is overall just a phenomenal looking electric bike. One downside is the taillight. You have to turn it on manually. I don't know if you have to hold it. The battery is probably dead in this. They usually are. It takes a battery, and you have to remember to turn it on, and 90% of the time you're going to forget to turn it off, and it kills the battery. Very solid looking bike. I've reviewed units from Hovsco before, and they are always great bikes, so I have no doubt that this is going to be another good one from them as well. It's a stylish looking bike. I love their logo too. Kind of like a horse, maybe a unicorn. I don't know. Either way, we're going to take this thing, we're going to put it through its paces. This is a front suspension only bike. There is no suspension on the rear, so we'll see how this seat holds up because it doesn't have a whole lot of padding, guys, and we're going to be taking it through some pretty rough terrain. Now this bike retails for $1,899. It's currently on sale for $14.99, but I just found out they're giving you guys an exclusive discount code. If you use code AAR at checkout, you will save $100 more. You can get this bike for $1,399. That is an incredible deal for a quality bike like this. If you're interested in purchasing this bike, as always, I will put a link directly below this video along with the discount code that you can copy and paste. Save yourself a little extra money. Now, let's get to the fun part. Let's take this thing out and put it through its paces. All right, let's do it to it, man. Oh, wow. That's the first time I've just smashed on the throttle. She's definitely got some power, without a doubt. Can we climb this little rock hill thing here? Oh, okay. We can. It did that. It just did that. All right. I usually don't try to climb that. In fact, one of the last times I attempted climbing that, you guys may remember I actually crashed and scraped myself up pretty good. It's not fun to fall on your face out here in this terrain. It is not very forgiving. All right, here we go. We'll take it through some of this rough stuff here and just see how she does. This is not Oh, not forgiving, not in the slightest. And remember, this bike does not have rear suspension. Let's see if we can go down this rock hill as well. Bingo, man. Are you kidding me? This thing's a beast. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, without rear suspension and with this really like thin seat, I am absorbing everything, if you know what I mean. So if you're gonna take it off-road to do stuff like this, just a word of warning to you guys, you're gonna feel it, but it's definitely not undoable. And if you want to, you could always stand on the pedals. Actually, I'm standing on the pedals right now, and that's working out wonderfully. Yeah, standing on the pedals is ooh, I sat back down. Standing on the pedals is the way to go. Yeah, I don't feel anything now. This thing is a boss, man. This thing should be called a trail boss. What a beast. This is horrible terrain, and it just eats it up, man. All right, lots of sand right here and a thorny bush that will come out and grab you. Ask me how I know. I'm surprised the camera mount is holding up. This thing is taking a beating. Oh, wow, yeah. And up and down. Whew. Hydraulic brakes. Whew. Very good. Will it do a burnout? It'll do a burnout. She'll do a burnout. Brakes. Oh man, it's a beefy bike, guys. It's a really beefy bike. One major recommendation, if you are going to purchase this bike, again, I'm going to say it one last time, no rear suspension. All right, you and the seat are all the suspension you get. You can buy an aftermarket seat from just about anywhere, guys. They make really nice, big, fat seats with thick gel padding. Highly recommend it. It's going to save your rear a lot of stress and aching going through rough terrain. Now, these bikes do best on pavement. All right, if you're on a nice smooth road, these things will ride like a dream. You don't need rear suspension. You really don't need front suspension either. So let's take it out on the pavement. Let's see how it does there. As you saw, we just went through some gnarly terrain. The bike did great, man. Absolutely no complaints out of the bike at all. All right, I always like to come here and see if this if the brakes are going to be able to hold me here. Let's let him go by, and then all right, let's see. Here we go. Can the brakes hold me on this steep incline here? Yes. Hydraulic brakes, guys, the only way to go. I'm telling you, the only way to go. Top speed should be about 20 on thumb throttle. 22. All right, good enough. That's what I expected. So on thumb throttle alone, you're looking at 22 mile an hour top speed. I've got it in 7th gear, so if I start pedaling, is that it? 20? It's supposed to do 28. No, 20 is all I'm getting, and I already unlocked this bike. Hold up, wait a minute. Something's not right here. It's supposed to have a class 3 rating at 28 miles an hour. Oh, that's no good. Hold on. Brakes a little noisy in the front. Not too bad, though. Let's just pull off to the side here. I'm going to go into the menu. I have gone through the menus, and I have tried everything that I could find online to change this, and the best I'm getting out of this thing, I mean, let me really put my foot into it. No, the motor shuts off at 21, 22 miles an hour. It completely turns off. Now, supposedly, you can use the app and change it in-app. I'll be honest with you, I'm not really a big fan of downloading apps, putting them on the phone that I use with all my business information. Not saying I don't trust people, but I don't trust people. So, I'm not going to be installing an app. I was able to find a video that showed me how to change it in like the secret menu. I found it, I changed it, and pedaling, I still can't get it above 22 miles an hour. That's truly disappointing. I'm really disappointed about that, because otherwise it's a great bike. Now maybe If you're comfortable with installing an app on your phone, maybe you can change it in the app. I can't say one way or another. But I am truly disappointed that you can't get this thing past 20. It's normal on most bikes. The thumb throttle will only get you to 20 miles an hour. That's completely normal. I'm used to that. But pedaling, when you start pedaling, you should be able to hit 28 miles an hour all day long. Some bikes I've hit 33 miles an hour pedaling. Nah, this thing is just capped out at 20, man. At 20, you can see on the screen the motor just quits and leaves it up to you. That's a shame. That's truly a shame. Oh well, it is what it is. There's probably some other way of doing it, but this is how it's going to be for us, I guess. It's got good torque, man. I mean, seriously, when you hit the throttle, she rips. It's a torquey bike. And I'm surprised. I'm not a big fan of bikes without rear suspension. I just generally don't like them because they hurt. They're uncomfortable. And when I saw this seat, I was like, oh, great. I'm going to be in for it today, man. I'm here to tell you, the seat's not bad at all. It's really not. And not having rear suspension is not affecting me like I thought it would. But I feel completely fine. I could probably ride this thing a while longer. My only complaint with the bike at this point, it's relatively quiet. The brakes are good. Front suspension is great. Color screen looks nice. The layout of everything is intuitive. It's a strong bike. You can feel it. It's a solidly built bike. Only complaints. Come on, man. We're stuck at 20 miles an hour. What is this, like 2025? You know, like we're in 2026, guys. Come on. Great bike otherwise, man. If you can figure out a way to get past the 20 mile an hour block and get this thing up to 28, all day long, man. All day long. I still recommend the bike. I think it's important to accept that you're probably stuck at 20 miles an hour unless you can figure some other way out. Man, the torque. Like 90 Newton meters of torque is not crazy. It's not like, oh my gosh, that's wild. It's not insane power. It just seems to be the way the bike utilizes that power. You know, some bikes will kind of start you off real slow and kind of linear, and you gradually get up to speed. No, this bike is like, let's just go. It's got a nice feel to it. Real nice feel to it. Going uphill, 220 pounds, 5'11". We're holding 18 miles an hour. This bike's got more in it. It does. And I know it does because I'm looking at the bar for the motor, and it's only halfway. Like it's the bike that is limiting the amount of power we get even going uphill, which is kind of crazy to me. It's like at 18 miles an hour, it starts throttling down. Let me make sure there's nobody behind me here. Now see, you can hear how this bike's got more in it. This bike has a lot more in it. We just don't get it. I'm full throttle right now, 21 miles an hour, the motor is off. Completely off. Like, it is no BS. At 20 miles an hour, they shut this thing down. Man. And pedaling, nah. Same thing, 20 miles an hour, the motor turns off. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's get back to the gravel roads. Maybe we'll hit that trail one last time. We made it back. The battery is holding up pretty strong considering it's been carrying me around and going uphill and everything. I've mainly been utilizing the throttle assist on this, and it's done very well. No complaints at all. Again, carrying me up these hills and over bumps, really rugged terrain, not a problem for this bike at all. I just know that it's got more in it. That's disappointing. You can feel it and you can hear it in the motor. She's got more. She's got quite a bit more. But I'm the type of person, when it comes to these bike reviews, if it takes me more than 10 or 15 minutes to try to figure out how to get something set up, I'm not even messing with it, man. I'm not, and I've already spent more time than that because I was so desperate to unlock this thing. Yeah, I'm trying to slow it down a little bit because now I'm sitting down and I definitely feel, oh, there goes the camera. Oh, yeah, this is rough, man. This is rough terrain back here. This is no joke. Oh, let's get you guys. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm feeling it now. Now, this is a really tough part that not all bikes can get through. It's a very steep hill going down and also coming up. This is going to be a little rough, but let's see if you can do it. Yeah, sure did. It sure did. It handled that with ease, man. That's what I'm saying. I know she's got more. I know she's got more. Easy. Let's turn around and go back and do it again here, so you can see how steep this really is here. And okay, so what you just saw is me barely moving. I mean, I crawled up this hill right here. We were barely doing 3 miles an hour when I hit it. Let's see if it can carry me up the hill from a dead stop. This is let me see if I can get you guys down a little bit so you can really see what we're working with here. It's a gnarly little hill. Gonna go from a dig and see if it can carry me up this hill. Here we go. Woo! She struggled with it. She struggled with it, but she did it. She absolutely did it. Oh yeah. Got a little scratch there, man. All right, look. And the brakes, so good. Everything about this bike, I just love. And I'm not gonna repeat myself, because there's that one thing. There's just that one disappointment. Everything else, I love the bike. Absolutely love the bike. Very capable bike. I'm sure there is a way of getting into this thing and unlocking it. I just wasn't able to figure it out for you guys in this video. If any of you, maybe you have this bike, or if you buy this bike, remember, $100 off using code AAR. If you get this bike and you figure out how to unlock the 28 miles an hour for the Class 3, please, please, please drop your comment below this video. I would love to try it out for myself if it hasn't sold yet. And I would love to be able to pin the comment so anybody else out there might be able to get it figured out for themselves. I know the screen looks like it's bouncing all over the place. I promise you it's not. This is just like a conflict between the refresh rate of the camera and the refresh rate of this screen. But anyway, you have if I get closer, sometimes it'll stop. No, it ain't gonna stop, I don't think. The camera's trying to compensate for it, but here's the battery level. You have 5 bars. We used 1. All right, so 20% of the battery was gone, and we rode it really hard. Okay, odometer shows 4 miles. I guarantee you it's been almost 5. We've got to be on the brink of 5 because it's always 5 miles when I'm done riding around. Info on the screen will show you whatever that is, U52.1. I'm guessing volts 52.1. There's your amperage. I think that's your battery voltage because it's a 48 volt battery and it's at 32 right now. I don't know what that is. 3.2, that's your trip. And then back to odometer again. It's a very intuitive bike, really easy to use, and I had a lot of fun riding this thing today. Not to mention, it's just great looking, and the paint color is magnificent. This is my favorite color that they offer on this particular unit. If you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, like I said, I'm going to put a link directly below this video and the code AAR to save yourself an extra $100. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. I look forward to seeing y'all again very soon in the next one.